great place. Some other
There's another place that's even more quite.
I like coconut water with whiskey.
This is like, but this is not like pasteurized coconut water. This is the real thing.
Dovar says the real thing is incredible. She brought a bunch back.
I don't like pasteurized.
Layla, look at what you're landing. Look. Going down over a big interstate. Look.
Almost on the ground. There's the ground. Dovar brought
Here we
fresh
go.
coconut.
Layla,
We're on the ground. We can feel it. We can feel it when it lands.
watch.
We can feel it.
Here it goes.
There. We're on the ground.
Feel the vibration.
Very good.
Happy 80th birthday, Mom. Grandma Floss. Yay.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 5:43 p.m. Welcome to Orlando.
Happy to you.
We
They're
will
all
be
clapping
taxiing
for
for
Grandma
a few
Floss.
moments. You may now use your cell phones. Please be careful when opening overhead bins and look around your seats for personal belongings you're brought on board. On behalf of us all here at JetBlue, we'd like to thank you for flying with us and look forward to seeing you again on future